Hey, do you need wallpaper? Go to wallpaperboulevard.com. Give them my name, tell them Spencer Colgan sent you, and they'll be sure to give you 10% off at checkout. Check it out. Tell them I said hello. They have a tremendous selection. Don't shop anywhere else until you've checked out www.wallpaperboulevard.com. This is Spencer Colgan, and welcome back to my wallpaper and painting channel. So we have, particularly in bathrooms, but in any four-wall room, where the wallpaper continues from one wall to the next without interruption, which is usually the case, but sometimes you get a break. A window will go all the way up and break the pattern. But in a case like this, we started...
Turn right on Sherwood Forest Drive.
In a case like this, we started here, went around. I mean, this is a bathroom. Here's the bowl. You got to be careful where you end this pattern. These are big pieces. If you put this up against this, it's not going to match. Some good folks across the lake will say end it in the corner. Sounds reasonable, right? The only problem is if my pattern is big, if I have this big leaf here and it goes up against these, that's not going to look right in the corner. So I do it sometimes. I end the pattern in there where it mismatches from here to there. But sometimes that is not practical, and you have to do what's called a fake out. So what I did was I found the sheet. This is the sheet I just put in, and I matched it to here. Now I could have found the matching piece to this one. It all depends on how it looks. Whether you want to join the wallpaper over here or you want to match the pattern here. Whichever one you choose. See, I'm going to match it here because that's where it goes. But I have to make it look like it matches over here. But in some cases, it is obvious that it's not going to look good on this side. So you want to say, maybe I should match this side and see how it looks over here. You want to choose the closest natural match, whatever looks like best when you put this sheet up. And how does it look best? And then you want to do your fake out from that. So you want to find what looks naturally good and then doctor it up as you go along. So I took my sheet, right? Sometimes people say, I don't understand. Okay, so this is what we had. This was our first, and this was the last one. Notice I'm doing it right over the door. All right, so then I come and I say, all right, let's match it up on the right side, and we'll try to do our fake out on the other side. Okay. Okay, so I took my knife, cut through this, always pulling it back to see what I was going to be left with. And this is what I came up with. try to keep the greens together. I don't like this, but you know what I could do? I don't know if I want to introduce this loud flower. What do you think? We could. But I would have to be cutting this off. Let's wash it up and see what we think from below. We still have to pull out the piece underneath, right? Because then we're going to have a noticeable bump. Just gotta get a little more of this off. Okay, I cleaned it up. I had to pull with 2 hands to separate the pieces with which I was struggling before. So now I got them off. I think you would agree that it looks good, except the question is, do we have a clash? We did good up there. There's no clash. Look from down here. But if you're one of those people who likes to sit around and look around, you might take me to task on this. And I would have to agree. So, I'm gonna do something. Okay, so, let's see. I didn't like this connection here, so let's see if we can make something like this work. Try to bring this leaf back, because I like the leaf. No, I like it. I like that. Look, without it, we got a clash. Right in the center of your screen, we got a clash. But if we bring this in, what do you think? Bring that in. I can hear Phil Beckwith right now. He is not happy with me. Definitely not. It's okay, Phil. Calm down. I still love you. Stop. Oh, man. But Phil, come on. What do you think? Clash. Oh. Oh, please don't. I get really sentimental when I do that stuff. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'll try to stop. Oh, gosh. Let's see it from down here. Oh, Phil. Come on, look at that one and look at them. They almost, Let's clean it up.